Hello students, welcome to e-classes of P.N. Amarse High School. We will continue with our chapter number 4, parts and wholes. Now, question number 8, match the following. A part of question number A. Students, we have to match section A and section B. In section A, figures are given, and in section B, the fraction form of the figure is given. Now, first one, here a figure is given. First we have to find out how many total parts are there in the figure. So the total parts are 1, 2 and 3. So as I've explained you earlier, the total parts we will write as a denominator and the shaded part is here 1. So we will write the shaded part as 1 as a numerator. So the fraction form of this figure 1 is this C, 1 by 3. Now here in second figure, the figure is divided into two parts. So the total parts are 1 and 2. So we will write 2 in the denominator and shaded part is 1. So we will write 1 in the numerator. So the answer of this figure is E, 1 by 2 or half part. Now third one, in this figure students, total parts are not given. So first we will draw the total parts. In this way, first we will draw the total parts. Now the total parts are 1, 2 and 3. So in the denominator we will write 3 and the shaded parts are 1 and 2. So in the numerator we will write 2. So we will match this 3 with D here. The answer is 2 by 3. Now fourth one, here also in the figure the total parts are not drawn. So first we will draw the total parts. So now first we have to count the total parts 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here the total parts are 5 and the shaded parts are 1, 2 and 3. So in the numerator we will write 3 and in the denominator we will write 5. So we will match this 4 with this A, that is 3 by 5. Now fifth one, here also figure is given and it is divided into 4 parts, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 are the total parts. We will write it as a denominator and the shaded part is 1. We will write it as a numerator. So the denominator is 4 and numerator is 1. Now we will match this 5 with this B1, that is 1 by 4. Students, try to solve B part of question number 8 by yourself. Now question number 9. Write the missing numbers in the boxes to show equal parts. Here a figure is given and we have to write the missing numbers to show the equal parts. Students, here you can see this part is given. We are taking the whole part. So we will write it as 1 as I've explained you earlier. Whole means 1. Now we have divided this part into two equal parts. You can see here this part is divided into two equal parts. So now the total parts are 1 and 2. As I have explained you earlier, that the total parts we will write here as a denominator and this much part we are taking. So we will write the part as numerator. This one part we are taking, so we will write 1 as a numerator. So this much part is called half part or 1 by 2. So here also we will write 1 by 2. Now this part is further divided into 1, 2, 3 and 4 equal parts. So the total parts now are 4. So we will write 4 as a denominator and if we are taking this much one part, so this one we will write here as 1 by 4. So now the part is 1/4. Here also we will write 1 by 4. This is also 1 by 4th part and this is also 1 by 4th part. Students, try to solve B and C part of question number 9 by yourself. Now D part. Here also a figure is given. We have to divide the figure into different parts and write the fraction form of it. Here this one part, this is a whole part. So we will write it as 1 as I've explained you earlier. Whole means 1. We are taking this whole part as 1. Now further we have divided this whole part into two equal parts. Now the total parts are 2 and if we are taking this part, As I have explained you earlier, the total parts we write as a denominator. So here the total parts are 2. So we will write 2 here as a denominator. And we have taken this one part. So we will write 1 as a numerator. In the same way here also, the total parts are 2. We will write 2 as a denominator. And if we are taking this one part, we will write 1 here as a numerator. Now again, these two parts are divided into 4 equal parts. Here you can see that 1, 2, 3 and 4 parts are given. So as I have explained you earlier, the denominator in denominator we will write 4 as total parts are 4, and in the numerator we will write 1 as we are taking this one part. Here also we will write 1 by 4. Here 1 by 4 is given, and here 1 by 4 we have to write. Now here these 4 parts are further divided into 8 equal parts. So here in the denominator we will write 8, and if we are taking this part, so we will write 1 as a numerator. So this part is 1 by 8. This is also 1 by 8. This part is also 1 by 8. This 1 by 8 is given. This part is 1 by 8. This part is 1 by 8. And this part is also 1 by 8. Question number 11, do as directed. Sum number 1. Ramu wanted to give these vegetables to his friends. He gave Tinu 1/5 of the tomatoes and 1/3 of the potatoes. Meenu got 2/5 of the tomatoes and 3/6 of the potatoes. Dinu got the left vegetables. Circle Tinu's share in red, Meenu's share in green and Dinu's share in yellow. Student, what is given in the question is that Ramu wanted to give these vegetables. Here vegetables are given. Here Ramu want to give these vegetables to his friends. He gave Tinu 1/5 part of the tomatoes and 1/3 of the potatoes, and to Meenu he gives 2/5 of the tomatoes and 3/6 part of the potatoes, and the left vegetables are given to Dinu. So we have to find out how much is the Tinu's share and Meenu's share and Dinu's share. For this first we have to count how many potatoes and tomatoes are there. So here you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 potatoes are there, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So 20 tomatoes are there. Now Ramu want to distribute these vegetables to his friends. Now solution for sum number 1 of question number 11. Total number of potatoes is equals to 18 and total number of tomatoes is equals to 20, as we have counted earlier. Now Ramu wanted to give these vegetables to his friends. Now as it was mentioned in the question that Tinu got 1/5 of the tomatoes, we have to find out how much is 1/5 of the total tomatoes. Here total tomatoes were 20, and we have to find out the 1/5 part of this 20. So we will write 20 multiplied by 1 by 5, that is 20 ones are 20 and 5 we will write as it is. Now we will divide this 20 by 5. 5 fours is 20. So the answer is 4. Tinu got 4 tomatoes. Now Tinu got 1/3 of the potatoes. This was also mentioned in the question. Now we have to find out how much is 1/3 of the total potatoes. Here total potatoes were 18. We have to find out the 1/3 part of this 18. So we will multiply 18 by 1 by 3. So we will get 18 ones are 18 and 3 we will write here. So we have to divide now 18 by 3, we will get 6. So Tinu got 6 potatoes. Now we have to find out Meenu's share. Meenu got 2/5 of the tomatoes. Now we have to find out how much tomatoes Meenu got from the total tomatoes. Here the total tomatoes were 20, so we will multiply this 20 by 2 by 5. So we will get 20 2s is 40, and we will write 5 over here. So by dividing 40 and 5 we will get 8. So Meenu got 8 tomatoes. Now Meenu got 3/6 of the potatoes. Now we have to find out how much potatoes does Meenu gets. So for this we have to first write the total potatoes that were 18. We have to multiply this 18 by 3 by 6. By multiplying 18 and 3 we will get 54 and we will write 6 over here. By dividing 54 and 6 we will get 9. So Meenu got 9 potatoes. So now we have to find out Dinu's share. Dinu got the rest of the vegetables. Now number of potatoes Dinu got. Total potatoes were 20 and we will subtract 4, that is Dinu's share, and we will subtract 8, that is Meenu's share. By subtracting 20 from 4 we will get 16, and by subtracting 16 from 8 we will get 8. So Dinu got 8 tomatoes and number of potatoes Dinu got. Total potatoes were 18. We will subtract Tinu's share, that is 6, and Meenu's share, that is 9. By subtracting 18 and 6 we will get 12, and by subtracting 12 and 9 we will get 3. Therefore Dinu got 8 tomatoes and 3 potatoes. So students, here we have to circle Tinu's share in red, Meenu's share in green, and Dinu's share in yellow. As we have calculated, Tinu got 4 tomatoes. So we will circle 4 tomatoes with red color, and Tinu got 6 potatoes. In this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 potatoes we will circle with red color. In this way, you have to circle Meenu's share in green color and Dinu's share in yellow color. Students, sum number 2 of question number 11 you have to do by yourself. With this we end our today's video and will continue with our chapter in the next video. Thank you.